video about the lab we're going to be doing tomorrow in class. So it's the pre-lab, and our lab focuses on single replacement reactions. So just to refresh your memory, a single replacement reaction is when you have some sort of a substance that you add to a compound. So here's my compound and here's my substance. And that substance goes and taps on the substance's shoulder and says, "Can I take your spot?" And now A and C pair up together, and poor B has been kicked off to the side. So in lab today, we're going to be seeing a substance kicking out part of this compound and now forming together to make something new, with the other part being bumped off. So this is our single replacement. We've been writing these reactions so you know all about them, and now we're going to see them in lab. So in lab, you're going to be working with something called a well plate. This is a well plate right here. A well plate has all these wells that we can put things in. We're also going to be working with metals and solutions. So the metals you're going to be working with are copper, zinc, magnesium, and aluminum. And they're very, very, very small pieces. So you might not be able to see them too on this video, but you'll be able to see them in lab. So we've got our zinc piece, we've got our magnesium, our copper, and our aluminum. And you're literally going to be working with these really small little pieces. You're going to take these pieces and you're going to be using many of them. Here's just a sample of one set. You're going to be putting them in these wells, and you're going to be following the procedure, but just to kind of give you a quick idea. And you're going to be adding solutions to them. So these are my solutions, or those solutions you're going to be working with. Seen here, there are these aqueous substances. All solutions are aqueous, so all of these solutions are aqueous. Now you know the state of matter. We've got copper nitrate, hydrochloric acid, zinc nitrate, silver nitrate, and magnesium nitrate. These are all the solutions you're going to see in lab tomorrow. Again, it's important to know that solutions are aqueous. And what I mean by that is I took powders that were all of these, and I added them to water, mixed them up, and that's how I got this solution. Okay? So what's going to happen in lab tomorrow is, once you've got your metals and you're following your procedure, you're going to be adding these solutions to the metals. Okay? So your metal is going to have a solution poured on it. All right? So here's an example of a metal that's being combined with a solution. In one of the wells, you have magnesium. It's a metal, so it's a solid. All your metals are solids. And here's a solution, zinc nitrate. Let me actually go ahead and find it. Here it is, zinc nitrate. So you're going to take your magnesium metal and you're going to add it to zinc nitrate in your well. Then what happens, well, you're going to make an observation. So look closely. You might see a change. You might see that magnesium maybe turn different colors, get darker. Maybe a gas will be released. You're going to see some sort of a change occur. Those are your observations. Then from there, you'll be able to assess whether or not magnesium kicked out zinc and reacted with the nitrate, right? And you know how to make your single replacement reaction. Can magnesium kick out zinc and react with nitrate? If it can, then you'll see a change happen, because when magnesium and nitrate come together, they look different, and zinc is going to be kicked off. So these are all single replacement reactions. A couple other things to note is that in your lab, you're going to have a sheet that has a data table like this. Please make sure that you write your observations in the boxes. Write your observations in the boxes. Always make sure you follow every procedure step by step. And in the end, when we are all done, we are going to put our waste inside this glass container. This will be under the hood. You're literally going to take your well plate that has lots of stuff in it, and you're going to knock all of your stuff into the waste container under the hood. And then please remember for cleanup, once I've done that, I should take some soap, some water, my scrub brush, put a little bit of soap, add a little bit of water, and scrub my wells clean and empty this out. Also remember, it only makes sense to start off with a clean well plate. So before you begin, make sure your well plate's clean. If it's not, take the time to clean it. Always remember to return things back clean. All right, that's the end of the lab. Hope you're ready. See you in class tomorrow.